Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Rent.com, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your monthly income. Identify all sources of income, including salary and additional earnings. Next, outline your fixed expenses. Include rent, utilities, insurance, and any other recurring bills. After that, list your variable expenses. Consider groceries, entertainment, transportation, and personal care. Now, calculate your total monthly expenses. Add both fixed and variable expenses together for a clear picture. Subtract your total expenses from your total income. This gives you your remaining budget. Visit Rent.com to start your research on housing options. Use their filters to specify your budget range. Explore different neighborhoods that fit your lifestyle. Make a list of your top housing choices. Consider additional costs like security deposits and maintenance. Now, factor in these potential costs into your budget. Adjust your spending plan if necessary to accommodate these expenses. Once you choose a rental, review the lease carefully. Ensure it aligns with your budget and financial goals. Track your actual expenses against your budget each month. Make adjustments as needed to stay on target. Use budgeting tools available on Rent.com to simplify the process. Consistently revisit and revise your budget. This will help you stay on top of your finances while renting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.